Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I made this awesome patriotic wreath. Super easy, super quick. You're going to need 2 bolts of red and white striped mesh and 1 bolt of blue. You're going to cut your mesh into 1-yard pieces, and we're going to be ruffling these and twisting them on. I have 5 pegs that are set aside for blue. It's going to be 3 on the back and 2 on that top ring. So in all the rest, I'm doing the red and white striped mesh. So I'm going around the back outer edge of the wreath form first. I'm filling in these pegs with red and white, and when I get back around to the other side, the last 3 that I add in are going to be blue. After I twist in all the mesh, I am hiding the pegs so they don't really show. I'm putting in my last one in this back ring. We're going to go to the top ring and just add 2 pieces of blue, and then the rest of them are going to be the red and white stripe again. Alright, here's what it should look like when you're done adding in the mesh. Next is the bow. I have an easy bow maker. I'm adding wire onto it, and I'm going to start by getting a 13-inch long tail and a 6-inch loop. And I'm doing 2 different layers to this bow, and both layers are going to use the same ribbon. So 13-inch tails, 6-inch for these loops. I'm going to cut the tail and then take the same ribbon. I'm going to measure the same size for the tail, and now I'm going to do 5-inch loops. I'm just going to do 1 loop on each side. So the back layer is 6-inch loops, the top layer is 5. I'm going to cut the tails, and then I'm going to use that piece of wire that we slid on first to just wrap around the bow and tie it, and I'm going to use this wire to tie the bow directly onto the wreath. I'm going to be tying it directly on top of the blue mesh, and you just want to pull the wire through and tie around the wreath frame. Thanks for watching my video. You could make this wreath royal or navy. We have the supplies available on our site. Thanks for watching.